You ever heard of JADO? Shower valve. This is a diverter. So the way this works, so that's the diverter right there. So the way this screwery works is, it's actually not bad. That goes on. You got a couple screws here. And then, sorry, that goes like that. It's really not bad, to be honest with you. JADO. This thing's broken. That's the cap to the diverter. To get that off, I had to pull this out and grab onto it like that. Otherwise, this just spins with the diverter. So you have to clamp this and really hold on to it, and then this will spin off. And that's how you get the plate off. So now I've gotten the screws out of there. Water is off. How do I get that out of there? JADO was a, there it goes. This was a high-end shower valve about 12 years ago that's been discontinued. I think it was like a $1,600 or $1,700 shower valve back in the day. Okay. So that's the old one. So here's the new one. Here's the old one. Looks exactly the same. The owner had to get this through Ferguson, and he said it was a real nightmare. Put a little grease on those. He said it took him a month to get this. I forgot Ferguson said that JADO was purchased by, I can't remember, I want to say American Standard or something. But that just goes right back in there like that. Let's put a little grease on it. I just want to make sure. Well, these are the only parts right here. I mean, that part looks like it's replaceable, but it just looks plastic. I don't know, it looks all right. Looks all right to me. I don't see, this looks the same. Oh, well, this side's a little bit different than that side. I wonder if there's an orientation with putting this in. I doubt it. Doubt it. All right, I tried it that way with that on top. I flipped it and it doesn't matter. So we have the old little screws right here. Those look almost stripped out, so we'll use these new stainless ones that came with it. So then we're gonna screw them in right there. And that's what holds the diverter in. Let's do that. There you go. No leaky leaks. So just like a mullen. Just gotta find the little screw holes. There it is. You don't want to tighten these too much because it bows this. This is plastic, and it'll literally bow this out a little bit. So you want to just snug it up, but make sure that this is nice and flat against the wall because there's a sealing element. There's a little rubber gasket in here. So, so that's broken. That goes, so this goes like that. Yeah, that's broken. So this was on there like that. And this holds that on. So those go into those little those holes, right? And then you put that on, and then what ultimately holds it on is this. So we gotta line that up. I think it was like that. So this is broken, but that screw right there goes on top of that right there. So we gotta take this out. And then this goes in like that. Like so. And then these two little things slide into those holes, but as you can see, it's broken on the bottom. So we got one holding it on. So what I'll have to do is just silicone this. You gotta line that up. You gotta kind of push it hard. Thing is quality, man. No sarcasm. Thing is quality. No more leaks.